Teachers can create screencasts of learning resources using existing PowerPoint slideshows within PowerPoint itself. Open the PowerPoint that you wish to add your voiceover to. Go to the Slideshow menu option, and the ribbon of options should be there. In the Setup group of options, select Record Slideshow and choose Record from Beginning. If you're using one monitor, the screen will change to the recording view, where you will see your opening slide in the middle of the screen. Other controls are placed in the black zone around it. The recording button is situated at the top left of the screen. Clicking this will begin recording your voice over the slides, and you'll get a 3-second countdown before you are live. The arrow icons either side of the slide window move your slides forwards or backwards. However, before recording, it is advisable to check the settings to ensure the right devices are receiving the right inputs. Click on the Settings option to ensure that your hardware is correctly configured. You can also choose whether you want yourself to appear in the corner of the screen as you record, or just have your voiceover instead by toggling the camera option on or off. During your recording, you can perform annotations on your slides by using the presentation tools at the bottom of your screen. Laser pointer, pen, and highlighting tools are available to give more dynamism to your slides. If you have notes for your slides, these can be viewed by dropping down the Notes tab. Even if the Note tab box drops over the slide window, it will not appear in your video. If you make a mistake during your recording, just hit Stop and go to Clear and select Clear Recording on this slide. This means you only have to record the slide you made the mistake on again, not the whole presentation, because each recording is banked against each slide. And be careful not to choose the option to remove all your recordings. To listen back to a recording on a slide, click on the Replay button at the top left. Once you've finished recording your slides, hit the Escape button, and this will return you to PowerPoint. You can see that each slide now has a sound icon at the bottom right corner to indicate that there is recording on this slide. If you had the camera on, your camera view will appear instead. You should now export your file as a video. Go to File, Export, and select Create a Video. Check that the settings are correct. The defaults should usually be adequate for keeping quality and file size optimized. And then when you're ready, select Create Video. Give your file a name and save it to a folder on your computer. Now you have a voiceover PowerPoint video that you can put on a learning platform or upload to a video sharing app for students to access.